April 29th, 2020. Fantastic activity in the left hive still. Lots of nice pollen coming in. Glad to see that is continuing. The new split hive seems to have a little bit of activity. Oh, hi there, sweetheart. The honeybees cannot land on me. So we installed the queen yesterday. If you haven't seen that video, you should go check that out. Not sure as to how well that took, so I got a little bit of time here before I have to go off to another job, and I thought I would pop it back open and see how things are looking in this colony. I'm not going to use any smoke. I'm not going to go deep into it. I'm just going to pop the covers and have a look inside and see how things are looking. Hopefully I didn't screw up that queen install too bad yesterday, but like I said yesterday, only time will tell. But we'll have a look-see and see if things are looking any better today. Oh boy. Well, she was right there yesterday. Almost looks like there's still a cluster on top of her, and that concerns me a little bit. But I'll pop this inner cover and we'll see what we got. Yeah. So that's not looking good. Nope. That's not looking good at all. That's such a shame. God, that sucks. Alright, so what I'm going to have to do on the next nice day, because I don't really have time today for it, is pull some of those emergency cells over from the big hive here and slip them in here and hope that those have eggs in them and that they'll hatch out a new queen on their own that way. Or get another queen and install it correctly. I don't really have another $40 for another queen. I didn't really have $40 for this queen. Well, as I always say, some of the best lessons learned are the ones that cost you the most and are the hardest and most disappointing, because you remember what not to do really well. Well, it is what it is. Hope you found this interesting or informative, and I hope you avoid this sort of catastrophe by learning from watching this channel. Thanks for watching the Pharmacy Seeds Network.